If you want to start a glow herbal soap business, or you want to improve your skincare brand with your glow and brightening soap, then this video will help you. I will teach you how to make a powerful glow and brightening herbal bar soap for clear, smooth and glowy skin. This herbal soap helps with blemishes and even hyperpigmentation, sunburn, and even it will also even your skin tone. Okay, so in this video you will see all the ingredients I've been using to treat my customers dull skin, the ingredients I'm using to make soap to my customers that's giving them that glow and bright skin. Okay, so this soap is very suitable for all skin types, and it can be used for the face, or whether on the face and on the body. Now let's get started. I hope by now you have gotten your writing materials, your pen and paper, so that you'll be jotting things down. Please, I would love you to recreate this video or make it and send to me. Give me your feedback. Okay, so these are my ingredients. Measuring them out, I'm using camwood. I also use moringa and other herbs. Okay, remember that this is a herbal, 100% herbal bar soup we are making. So you are entitled to your opinion. Maybe you may be thinking that this is not this type of ingredient that the other coach has given me, or the other person is using, or the other person. Please, I don't do what other people do. I do what I sell. I do what I have formulated for myself. Okay, for over a decade I've been treating skin conditions, so I am giving you what I am using, like the experiences I have gained in making herbal bar soups. All right, so these are my ingredients. I'll keep it aside, and there's one particular ingredient I also use. It's called the licorice. Okay, when it comes to licorice, they have two types of licorice. They have licorice extra, the root one, and they have this one. This particular one is the white one, the one they use in skincare. But it has oxidized also, and but I don't have the other one. They have the root one, so that is why I'm using this particular one. Okay, so if you have this white one, you can use it. If you have the root one, you can also use it, but just use licorice for me. Okay, so this is my caustic soda. I'll measure it out and keep and measure out my water. Okay, now if you want to change any oil I used here, please do well to let me know. Don't just go and use castor oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and still use the exact quantity of water and caustic soda I use here. You're going to encounter problem. Okay, and that way, don't say that you did what I did. No. If you want to know that you're going to change any of the ingredients, especially the oil, please comment in the comment section and let me know. Don't chat me privately. Comment it in the comment section. A lot of people I don't know whether it's shy to comment in the comment section, but you see them in my inbox. They'll fill my inbox asking me questions that they're supposed to ask in the comment section of the video that they have watched. Okay, so these are my oils. I'm using palm oil, palm kernel oil. Okay, the reason why I'm using palm kernel oil or more palm kernel oil is because it's very, very cheap for me. It's affordable for me. I'm buying a liter for, let's say, okay, let me just say 2,000 naira for a liter. If you're talking of the retail price, it will be around 22 or 24. But palm kernel oil is about 2,000 naira for me, while palm oil is about 2,400 naira for me. So palm kernel oil is very, very cheap for me to get. Okay, so what did I do? I did not warm the oil. Okay, I did not warm the oil. I dissolved the caustic soda, then measure my oil, pour the caustic soda into my oil. That is exactly what I did here. I'll mix it very well, give it a very good mix, make sure that the oil and the caustic soda are well combined. Then I'll cover it up for it to gel. Okay, I'll be working more with semi-hot because it's very, 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 very easy for me, and also it's very, very easy for beginners. Okay, if you're making a soap, bathing soap with semi-hot as a beginner, you find it very easy to make that soap than when you're making hot process or cold process. I don't know if I am saying some people's mind, but that is what I've experienced, and that is what I've seen among my new students. Okay, semi-hot method of making soap works very well for beginners. All right, so I'll cover it and allow it to gel. Now, covering this soap to allow it to gel, I may not tell you cover it for 5 minutes, cover it for 2 minutes, cover it for 1 hour. No. Okay, but what you do for me is as you covered yours, as you cover yours, or as you recover yours, keep opening it from time to time. Like I've opened it now and it has not gelled. I covered it back again. So you'll be checking it like every 2 minutes, okay, or 1 minute to make sure that it do not volcano, because if you do not check it on time and it gels, it keep heating up, it will do what? It will volcano. And that way, if you're a beginner, you won't be able to know what to do. But if you experience that anytime, just take a little water and sprinkle on the volcano soup, or you give it a very good mix. Just mix it very, very well, thoroughly fast. The soap will go down, okay, because at that time the temperature of the soap is very high, so you need to bring it down for the soap to go down. All right, so still on the soap, I covered it and allow it to gel. This one took me about 9 to 10 minutes for it to gel. Okay, now it has completely gel. Now I want you to take note of the texture of this particular one and the texture of the previous one you watched. They're not the same thing because of the type of oil I use. Okay, this is my super fat. You can super fat with any oil you have. You can as well super fat with shea butter. You can super fat with palm oil. You can super fat with argan oil. You can super fat with jojoba oil. You can super fat with any oil at all. Okay, so this is my fragrance I'm adding. Remember I said in the other video, if you don't know the type of fragrance you will use in any type of soap you are making, like this is glow and brightening soap, I have a particular fragrance that suits the name. Okay, but if you know that, let's say banana will suit this one for you, you can add banana fragrance. Any fragrance at all you choose, you can. But if you don't have an idea, you want to start this as a business, or you want to, like, you don't have an idea, you have so many fragrances on your head and you want somebody to help you and choose, I can help you and give you, this is the fragrance that will work well with this particular type of soap. All right, so after adding the fragrance and the super fat, I'll mix it very well. Then I'll add all my herbs. You can as well add your herbs little by little while you mix, okay? But since I'm not a beginner, just put your herbs and mix it very well. Mix very well. Everything will mix. Then you pour into your mold. Isn't it amazing? Please, if you enjoyed watching this video or if you learned something from this video, please give me my flowers in the comment section. Drop a word of encouragement for me in the comment section. Do well to engage, do well to share, comment, like. It will encourage me to share more free products for you. Not just free products. Let's see, this is not just a random soup or a random product. This is what I have been selling for years. Okay, so for me to come out and give you something for free or even teach you something, I teach you what I do, what I sell, what I produce, okay, with experience for that matter. Okay, so I'll leave the soap for 24 hours or the next day, and this is the next day. I'm unmolding the soap. Then after unmolding the soap, I'll keep it depending when customers want to come and buy. But all this herbal soap series, I'm making this one for a tutorial, for a training for you in particular watching this video. So you can use silicone mold if that's what you can get to start this business. You can use block mold, wooden mold, any mold at all. Okay, and one thing about all this herbal soap series I'm teaching you is that it's moisturizing. This is not the one that after making you use it, our customer will use it, they'll be complaining that their skin is drying. No, this will moisturize your skin. If you made this soap and use it and you do not feel moisturized when you use it, please call me out on anywhere you've watched this video. Call me out. My best soap in this herbal soap series is coming. Don't worry, I'll still show you that one. Okay, so this is how the soap performs immediately after cutting it. It has not cured. Okay, remember, you can keep yours to cure. You can use yours immediately. You can leave it for 24 hours. You can leave it for 1 week, for 2 weeks before you use. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next herbal soap series. Be safe wherever you are, and bye for now.